Hi guys, Chris from Car Sound Security. We've got a 2013 Audi A3. What we've added today is a recording camera along with reversing camera as well. So it does both front and back recording, and then obviously when you put it in reverse, it then takes over and just gives you a full reversing camera, which I'll show you. So along with this as well, you can change images. So you can see when you swipe, obviously left, that's just the back. Swiping, that's front and back. So it gives you a few different options, just front on its own. But obviously what you do when you put it in reverse, it then takes over and just gives you full reverse. Take it out of reverse and then it goes back. So even if you do it on the split screen, so you've got front and back, and then put it in reverse, just there guys. Alright, so for all your recording, reverse camera needs, audio, security, give us a call on 0208 554 5554. It's 0208 554 5554, or email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com, or come and visit us if you're local. We're based near Gansel, around about 2 minutes away from there guys. Just come and see us when you're ready. Thanks for watching guys.